It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and I'm here with Team DFS in Los Angeles for a 5 to 6 day installation, maintenance, upgrade. We're just zhuzhing. We're zhuzhing. So, super fun. So many things to talk about. First of all, what's happening over here? Kevin is digging out a couple of these rose bushes because we're going to throw down a lovely flagstone right there. Our client, gets knocked every time they try to walk through there into the lawn. And this rubber edging's gone. We're pulling all that up. You can see all of these Arroyo river rocks. I don't at all hate the idea of a good rock border, you know that. So we have more of these available along the side of the house. I think these are far too uniform. So I'm gonna be bringing in some different sizes, and we're gonna pull the edging out a little closer to the line of the lawn. And this is gonna look so much better. The roses just got a hard prune, so they're not much to look at right now, but give it a couple months.
And those are staying.
Yeah, the roses will be staying, as will the agapanthus. Over here, we love, 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 love this. Look at these ancient old trees, and just, this is LA. This is classic Los Angeles. We are not going to change this at all. The clients have adorable little dogs that love to use the lawn and play. It's very shady out here. So all we're gonna do is upgrade this rock edging. Over the years, it's sunk a bit and completely lost its intention. So we're gonna zhuzh all of the edging along here. We are gonna be bringing in some real dark, beautiful gorilla hair, yes, I'm saying it, mulch, wood bark mulch to put underneath this stuff that makes 0 sense to put rock under here. So lots happening up here. You can see Omar and Haley are taking all of these aloe vera out of this adorable, I guess it's a water trough. I'm going to be reinventing that with a whole new succulent display. These aloe vera will be pressed into service over on another side of the yard. That noise you hear is Daddy hollowing out an old tree stump, which I'm going to plant with succulents. We are going to pull up these old pavers, put down some pretty flagstones, and this area is going to be done in a signature succulent tapestry. We'll come all the way down as far as we can go. There's some really, really lovely borrowed landscape here too, and a pretty fence. So this is just going to be absolutely beautiful. Greg is going to be retrofitting irrigation where needed to support the new design, and he's going to be installing all new uplighting. So you may recognize this beautiful property, and we are also making some modifications here in the back. Our client, who was out of town when we did the initial installation, is here now, and she said, oh, I want more of that, I want more of that, I want more of that. So we were happy to oblige. She loves the glacier boulders, so we brought in a few more glacier boulders, which we are in the process of staging. The Yucca rostrata that we put in here just did not thrive, so we have a new plant coming from Matt Jones that's going to go here, a new Yucca. I'm going to be blowing out more tapestry in here, and I'm also going to be top dressing with some of the glacier jade chips. And Greg is adding even more lights. We're also going to be doing gutters. We are weeding. We're going to be doing a makeover of the primary suite balcony. So just so fun, and so many fun things to do to upgrade the space. Let's go to the front. We did a lot of prepping in here by pulling weeds and removing a lot of the river rock and enhancing all the edging around the lawn areas. We had Ralph busy hollowing out this tree. We're going to plant out the stump. And Kevin spent pretty much the entire day cleaning this area up. It looks so nice. This will be our primary design area, but the eye drove all the way to the back. So I really wanted to make sure that all got cleaned up. The the pot, you know, here's our plants that we received from Waterwise Botanicals, and I've had the guys empty out all of the pots and containers. I'm going to be, you know, redoing all of those. Check out our beautiful piece of ghost wood that we got from Waterwise. That's going to be my focal piece here in our new tapestry. So Greg was also checking and repairing broken irrigation out here, and he's going to be replacing and supplementing all of the lights as well. So this is going to be fun. This is going to be a very fast week, and I'm thrilled to take you guys along on the journey. Bye-bye.